자. So we decided to run the Helix in the rain. See how it does. It's waterproof. We got a 2-cell battery in it right now. A 20C 500 milliamp LiPo battery.
What's the splash?
You missed the puddle.
Where's it, like in the middle right there? There it goes.
But it's a 2-cell LiPo battery, if I didn't say that. Waterproof, everything's stock in it.
Fly by. Damn.
Don't hit me again.
What?
But yeah, this is the Vaterra Helix. Completely stock.
Give it another wash.
We'll run through the puddle a couple more times. Wait.
Wait for me!
We were gonna run my car out here. The Ford Fiesta Rally car by Vaterra. But I just cleaned it, so. Car. There's a car. Hey guys.